Today we will discuss about place value. Although this is a very common concept, but this is very important. We will discuss in this lesson that how to identify the place value of different digits in a given number. Our objectives for today's lesson are: learn the numbers using the concept of place value. Identify the place value of digits in a number. Identify a specific digit for the given place value. As you know that the topic for today is place value. What is place value? Place value is the value of each digit in a number based on its position. What is meant by position of a digit in a number? To clarify this thing, we will discuss an example. If we have a number 173, 173, we will write down each digit according to its position under relevant place value. Units under units, tens under tens, and hundreds under hundreds. Furthermore, we will discuss about base 10 material which can be used. Place value starts from units or ones. Next come the tens and then the hundreds. We can write down units as U or ones as O. Tens can be identified or written as in abbreviated form as T. Hundreds are abbreviated as H. Place value tells us about the position of the digits in the given number. If you see the given examples for single digit, two digit and three digits. In single digit we have only 7 and 7 is at unit place. In the given two digit number 87, 7 is at unit place and 8 is at tens place. Then in the three digit number 387, 7 is at unit place, 8 is at tens place and 3 is at hundreds place. Base 10 blocks. What are base 10 blocks? These are small blocks which make up the units, tens and hundreds. A single block is said to be a ones or a unit. 10 blocks or 10 units make 1 10. And 10 tens or 10 bars make up 100. Resources are always helpful to understand a new concept or something which we are confused in. If you are not provided with base 10 apparatus, you can make up your own base 10 apparatus using forming sheet or any other relevant material, because this base 10 apparatus will be very helpful for you to understand specifically the topic of place value. Moreover, beside this, place value apparatus can be designed by using other materials like straws, sticks, beads, or any other relevant thing which you think can support towards designing your place value apparatus. As we have discussed that how we can utilize base 10 material to define the given number. Now we will see that how a place value chart can help us to write down the given number accordingly. A place value chart can help us to identify and write each number according to its value. Now, let's discuss the given number 752. If you see over here, there are 2 units, 5 tens and 7 hundreds. Now, observe the given place value chart. There are 3 columns for units, tens and hundreds separately. Now within the number 752, we have 2 units means 2 blocks. We have 5 tens means 5 bars. We have 7 hundreds means 7 flats. Units will go into the units column, tens will go within the tens column, and hundreds will be written within the hundreds column. In this way, place value chart always help us to identify the position of the given digits according to its place value. Alright, now you will watch a video regarding place value. This will definitely be helpful for you to solve the place value sums further. Let's watch the video.
Hold up your hands and look down your nose. We're gonna look at numbers in the place value row. The ones are on the right, the tens are next in line. Move once more to the left for the hundreds every time. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Hold up your hands and look down your nose. We're gonna look at numbers in the place value row. The ones are on the right, the tens are next in line. Move once more to the left for the hundreds every time. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds.
Okay, as we have discussed about place value, units, tens and hundreds, and we know that cubes or blocks make up the units, bars make up the tens, and flats make up the hundred. Alright, now coming up towards few questions, I will ask you some questions. Just think about it and give your answers. Number 1, how many blocks or cubes in one unit? How many blocks or cubes are present in one unit? Yes, there is one block or cube in one unit. Number 2, how many units make up one bar of a 10? Or how many units make one 10 bar? Take your thinking time. Yes, 10 units make a bar of 110. Number 3, how many tens are present in 100 flat? How many tens in 100 flat? Yes, there are 10 tens in a flat of 100. Now moving ahead, you have to identify the position of the given numbers accordingly in the place value table. Our first number is 89. Our first number is 89. You have to write down the number in the place value table accordingly. Units in the units place, tens in the tens place. Our second number is 478. 478. Write down the number accordingly in the given table of place value. Our third number is 930. 930. Within the given numbers, you have to write down the numbers accordingly in the given table of place value. Units in the units place, tens in the tens column, and hundreds in the hundreds column. Furthermore, identify the place value of each digit accordingly in the given numbers. Number 1, 35. you have to identify the position of both of the digits under the given place value abbreviations. Our second number is 507 and our third number is 278. Each of the given digits to be written under the respective place value abbreviation.
Okay children, you will do the written task mentioned for each day in your text box.
Alright children, now we will sum up all of the points regarding place value. Number 1. While reading a place value chart or place value table, always move from right to left. Never from left to right, it's always from right to left. Second point is, within a place value chart or place value table, write the numbers accordingly. Units in the units column, tens in the tens column, and hundreds in the hundreds column. Number 3. Always keep into your mind that place value is having a vital importance while making or designing your sums of addition or subtraction. Alright, whenever you are designing your sums of addition or subtraction, write down the units under the units, tens under the tens, and hundreds under the hundreds. In the same way, write down the answers for your sum accordingly. Units under the units, tens under the tens, and hundreds under the hundreds in their respective column of place value.